In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just starting, understanding how to efficiently group elements can streamline your design process and make your projects more organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. Once logged in, navigate to your Webflow dashboard. This is the central hub for all your projects and where you'll manage your design processes. Look through your dashboard to find the project you wish to edit. Once located, click into that project to open it up in the Webflow Designer. Now, let's talk about grouping elements using a div block. This is particularly handy for when you have multiple elements that you want to keep together as a single unit, such as text, images, or buttons. From the Add panel on the left side, drag a div block onto the canvas. Position this div block to act as the parent element for all the items you want to group together. With the div block in place, the next step is to drag and drop the elements, such as text, images, or buttons, inside the div block. This essentially groups these items together, making them easier to manage. Once your elements are inside, you can style and position the div block as one cohesive element, which will affect all the items within it. This makes adjustments not only more unified, but also saves time when making changes to your design. Moving on, remember that Webflow automatically copies all child elements whenever you copy and paste a parent element like a div containing other elements. This little feature helps in maintaining consistency across your project and is especially useful when building repetitive design elements across different pages or sections. Next, let's cover grouping component properties. Select any component you've used on your stage and open its Settings panel. Here, you'll find options to create new groups or add existing properties into a grouping. Organizing properties this way not only keeps things tidy, but also makes them easily accessible, which can significantly streamline your workflow when making adjustments further down the line. Finally, let's address grouping CMS collections. Maintaining a consistent naming structure is key here. For instance, you can use names such as Group A, Collection 1, and Group A, Collection 2 to keep your collections systematically arranged. Additionally, applying relevant tags to your collections can greatly aid in categorization and filtering, ensuring that all your data is neatly organized and easily navigable. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough walkthrough on how to efficiently group elements, component properties, and CMS collections in Webflow. Utilizing these grouping techniques not only aids organization, but significantly enhances your design efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Webflow.